Hey guys, welcome back. This is Emmy and you are watching Android Power. This new OTA update available for OnePlus 5 and 5T users, which is in the form of Open Beta 32 for OnePlus 5T and Open Beta 34 for OnePlus 5. I was running Open Beta 31 on my OnePlus 5T. So I have received this OTA update and I did not use any kind of VPN services. If you are running previous Open Beta builds, then the update size is less, and if your phone's bootloader has unlocked, you will receive the full update and that will be somewhere around 1.7 GB. We will discuss the changelog after the installation. So before moving ahead, if you are first time here, I request to all of you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to see more future videos from Android Power. If already done that, then please like this video, it's free and it motivates me to make this kind of content. If you have not got the update, you can download the full update and flash it manually. For manually flashing, put the ROM in File Manager and go to Settings, then System Update, hit the gear icon towards the top right side and choose from Local Upgrade and choose the ROM file and flash it manually. Also, if you are a stable user, you can update to beta and it won't affect your data, but I suggest to make a backup first. So I will provide the links in video description box. So I have completed my installation. So let me reboot the phone. Installation process is pretty fast and it will take even less than 2 minutes. Everything is done, so let's go to System Settings, About Phone. The Oxygen OS version is Open Beta 32 based on Android 9 Pie and security patch level is from June 1 and the build date is from June 10. Now let's talk about the changelog. Regarding the system, they have updated the Android security patch level, which I have already shown you. Next major and useful feature they have added is the digital well-being. Almost all stock Android devices have this feature. Now just go to System Settings and on the bottom you can see digital well-being. With this, you can see how many times you have unlocked your phone and how many notifications you have received and used all other apps. You can set timer to apps and restrict their usage. You also have wind down mode, which does the entire screen to grey, and after a specific time you can also use do not disturb mode here. Next they have added Fnatic Mode here, which is most useful feature for gamers. You can find this under System, Settings, then Utilities, then Gaming Mode. It has the advanced do not disturb mode while gaming and strict notifications and calls or change the behavior according to your preferences, and boost performance and enhance network. They also have added the screen recording feature, which is not mentioned in the changelog. You can see the screen recording tile on the quick setting panel as you get updated to Open Beta 32. So if you go to settings of the screen recording, you can set the video bitrate, video resolution, video rotation and audio source, which is a very useful feature for gamers who record their gameplay and want to record other activity of the mobile app. So coming to the benchmarks, the Geekbench score single CPU core is 1940 and the multi-core score is 6089 and the Antutu version 7 score is 1,66,757. So guys, that's it for now. Hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.